All right, here we are at progress right now. I'm just getting ready to start cutting. You can see where I've kind of beat on stuff right here, trying to fold that flange under. I used a bunch of different chisels, hammers, screwdrivers, everything else, and all I was doing was just bending a bunch of stuff up. I don't want to bend anything. I just want to cut this flange and get it straight. So the next option is the death wheel. That's right, 4.5-inch grinder, fairly slim blade. Going to use some gloves, some hearing protection, and let some sparks fly. But I have a fire blanket in here. Those things are super handy. They just help you get rid of any kind of sparks, block those, because sparks will burn your upholstery. They'll pit the glass. They'll mess up everything around there. So hopefully I can keep from pitting anything and be able to get this cut out. So I'm going to try to figure out how to set this camera up so that it doesn't get pitted up and hit with a bunch of sparks, and video the process of getting this thing cut. And then we'll have to go back and file and clean, and then probably a touch-up brush with a little bit of epoxy primer or something right on that edge where I know we're going to burn some paint and create a hot spot for rust. So let's see what we can do. All right, so you kind of see it definitely opened it up. It's not nearly as clean a cut as what we would like, but she's open, and I'll be able to slip that weather strip over that flange. It didn't burn as much of the paint off as what I had thought it might. Kind of did up here where I just got started because I was going pretty slow. We'll have to clean that up. We'll stick a little primer on there, seal it all up so I can put the weather strip on. So now, there you go. A little bit of primer put in there. Something to keep the corrosion from happening. And then the next thing is just stick the weather strip back on. Yay! I will go and repeat on the other side and probably call this a wrap on the LMC Weatherstrip install. And then I'll move next into putting some sound dampening down on the floor here in this. We're going to use a brand called Killmat. I've used some other different stuff before, just an offshoot of another very popular sound dampener, and I think it's going to work out great. So hey, stay tuned for that one. You know, as always, be safe, and if you like what I'm doing, share it. Definitely comment, let me know what I can do better. I'm just learning how to do this, and yeah, I know I need to improve, but I need some input in what I need to do. So thank you all so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. You can see it's